Hi my dear students, I hope you are all safe at home. I am Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 4th standard maths. Second lesson. So the second lesson name is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Today we are going to see addition. Before going to the topic, I will give some introduction. Listen my children. Consider Lishant, you have 3 red color dices. Lishant, you have how many dices? 3 red color dices. So write Lishant have 3 red color dices. 3 red color dices. 3 red color dices. And his friend Nani has 4 green color dices. So Nani has 4 green color dices. Listen my children. First consider. Lishant, you have how many red color dices? Very good my dear. Lishant has 3 red color dices and his friend Nani has 4 green color dices. Now going to put together Lishant, how many dices are there in your hand? Yeah, very good my dear. He said, ma'am, I have 7 dices in my hand. How did you say the answer Lishant? Yeah, by counting or adding. He said the answer, ma'am, by counting or adding. By counting or adding. By counting or adding. By counting or adding, we get the answer. So he said the answer 7. Now I am going to explain how he said the answer. Just you take the numbers alone. Here we have 3 red color dices and 4 green color dices. So take the numbers 3 and 4. He said the answer, ma'am, by counting or adding we get the answer 7. So put the symbol plus. This is addition symbol. This is what? Addition symbol. So keep 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So very good Lishant. He said the correct answer. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. The answer is 7. So listen my children. In this addition problem, we have names. Okay, in this addition sum, in numbers have some names. Here, the 3 and 4 are called addends. The 3 and 4 are called addends. The 3 and 4 are called addends, and the answer, the final answer is called sum. 3 and 4 are called addends and the final answer is called sum. Why do we call 3 and 4 are addends? Because the numbers or terms added together. is called addends. The final answer is called sum. I hope everyone knows what is our today's topic. Yeah, our today's topic is addition. This is part 1. Now today's topic is addition. This is part 1. So, our today's topic is addition. So, this is part 1. Part 1. Instead of addition, we should say sum, increase, more, plus, together and add. Instead of addition, we should use the words sum, increase, more, plus, together and add. Listen children. Before going to the exercise problem, we will see what is addition. When the things are put together, we do addition. Or finding the total or sum by combining the 2 or more numbers. Here for example, we are given for the first group we have 5 birds is there. In first group we have how many birds are there? 5 birds is there. And the second group we have 4 birds is there. Now we are going to find the total. So find the total of these 2 birds. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. What is the answer? 9. Totally 9 birds are there. Totally how many birds are there? 9 birds are there. Okay children? And then one more example is there. In first we have 6 balls. First we have how many balls? 6 balls. And second we have 3 balls. Now tell me Ramya, what is the total number of balls we have here? Yeah, very good. We have 9 balls. How did you say the answer? By adding 6 plus 3. Take 6 plus 3. So 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So the answer is 6 after 7, 8, 9. So she said the correct answer. The correct answer is 9. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is 9. Totally we have 9 balls is there. Totally how many balls are there? 9 balls. Now we are going to see the exercise problem. In addition, first the topic is addition without regrouping. The second topic is addition with regrouping. And final topic is solve the following problem. So this related we have some story problem is there. We will see. Okay children. Our first topic is addition without regrouping. What is addition without regrouping? When we add 2 or more numbers. When we add 2 or more numbers, if the sum does not have the carry. If the sum does not have the carry. If the sum does not have the carry, it is called addition without a regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Here we are given the question is 3 groups of number. So you are going to do 2 steps. It will be easy for you. First you will take first 2 groups of number. Okay. Before adding the number, first you should write the place values. What is the first place value? Ones. Before going to the sum, I will tell why the place value is important in addition. Because the place value helps us to understand the meaning of numbers and where to use which number based on the question. Where to use which number based on the question. And next thing is in which numbers are comes under the ones place. Now I am going to tell in ones place values are 0 to 9. Ones place values are 0 to 9 come under the ones place value and tens place. 10 to 99. 10 to 99. And the next one is 100 place. In 100 place value 100 to 999. 100 to 999. And the next place value is 1000. Take 1000 to 9999. Likewise it will be go on. Okay children. Next the place value is tens. So write tens here. And the next place value is hundreds. So write 100 here. And the next place value is 1000. And the next place value is 10,000. So this is step 1. What is this? Step 1. Now we are going to arrange this one. Take the 13,154 plus 42,603. So what is the first place value here? Here the first place value is 4. So write 4. What is the 10th place value? Here the 10th place value is 5. What is the 100 place value here? Here the 100 place value is 1. Tell me Bhavana, what is the 1000 place value here? Yeah, very good here. Here the 1000 place value is 3. Next finally the 10,000 place value is 1. Take the second group of number. What is the ones place value here? The ones place value is 3. And what is the 10th place value? 0. The 100 place value is 6. The 1000 place value is 2. And finally the 10,000 place value is 4. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place and finally 10,000 place. Take ones place value, 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So what is the answer? 4 after 5, 6, 7. So the ones place value is 7 ones. Take tens place value, 5 in the mind, 0 in the finger. You are getting the same answer. What is the answer? 5 tens. Take the 100 place value, 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 700s. Next you will take 1000 place. 3000 plus 2000. So keep 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 after, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Next you will take 10,000 place value. Here the 10,000 place value, 1 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So what is the answer? 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now we will take the step 2. While doing the step 2, first you will write the step 1 answer. While doing the step 2, first you will write the step 1 answer. Then you will take the final question, 31,032. Now we are going to do the step 2. So while adding the number, first you should write the place values. What is the first place value? Already you know the unit place, ones. And what is the second place value? Tens, hundreds. And what is the fourth place value? 1000. And finally 10,000. Okay, now you take the first group of the number, 55,757. Say the ones place value. What is the ones place value here? The ones place value is 7. And what is the 10th place value? The 10th place value is 5. And what is the 100 place value? Here the 100 place value is 7. What is the 1000 place value? The 1000 place value is 5. Take finally the 10,000 place value. What is the 10,000 place value? Here the 10,000 place value is 5. So write 5. Take the second group of the number. Tell me Ramya, what is the ones place value here? The ones place value is 2. So write 2. And what is the 10th place value? Here the 10th place value is 3. And the 100 place value is 0. 1000 place value is 1. And finally the 10,000 place value is 3. So now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start ones place onwards. Take a 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So what is the answer? 7 after, 8, 9. What is the answer? 7 after, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 ones. What is the answer? 9 ones. Next you take the tens place value. 5 tens plus 3 tens. 5 after, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8 tens. Next you will take the 100 place value, 700 plus 0 hundreds. So you are getting the same answer, 7 hundreds. Next you will take the 1000 place value, 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 5 after, so what is the answer? The answer is 6. So 6,000. Next you will take the 10,000 place value, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 after, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. What is the answer? 8. So finally you write the answer, 86,789. 86,789. So thank you children. I hope everyone enjoying this section. So in this below description we have attached study material, question bank and self-assessment bank. My dear students, you should do the self-assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through these videos. Thank you students.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதர் யூகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.